Today, we're going to be assembling a 12 or 16-inch Yamaha Moto bike. First, we're going to put on the training wheels. Unscrew the outer nut on the rear wheel and install the training wheel with a bracket guide on the inside of the dropout, keeping it from moving side to side too much. Secure using a 15mm box wrench. Repeat on the other side. Next, find the right pedal and match it with the right side crank. The stickers will help guide you. Screw on the pedal towards the front of the bike. The right pedal is regular thread, and the left pedal is reverse thread. A quick rule to remember for bicycle pedals is forward on and back off. Secure with a 15mm box wrench. Make sure it's tight. Install the front wheel. Note the direction of the tread and make sure it's facing forward. Align it with the fork straight, install and align the security tabs. Secure with the 15mm box wrench. To install the front number plate fender, we're going to remove the headset top cap nut. Using at least a 12-inch crescent wrench, hold the wheel steady while you loosen the nut. Remove. Find the notch on the number plate bracket, then align. Reinstall the top cap nut. Secure tight, but not too tight. Make sure the fork can still steer side to side. To install the handlebar and stem, first remove the plastic covering on the quill stem. Align the front wheel straight and install the handlebar. Using a 13mm box wrench, tighten the stem in place. Install the handlebar and stem pads. For the 16-inch bikes, install the front brake wire. Squeeze the brake caliper to give yourself some slack on the brake cable. Install the brake cable head through the guide on the brake handle. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our friendly, trained customer service representatives.